with some extra shit. This is very interesting. Oh, you getting the message. You maybe come with a different, specific, special message for a different car. I hate that shit. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, we tend to have 10 different cars.
I'm like, I give it for like the sick ones, but like on a birthday or like a Christmas card, I'm like, nah, no multiple. Give me one car and that's it. I'm like, documented, nigga, because I'm serious. I'm dead serious.
I bet he wouldn't say that if all those cars had money in them.
If they did, 9 times out of 10, some just heartfelt messages were just priceless.
And you don't want those.
Those are priceless.
And you don't want those over and over and over again. You can never get too many heartfelt messages.
Once in a blue moon, I'll read them, like the heartfelt messages. I'm like, that's nice.
I still read it on my
That's a baby right in there.
You see Brooke like growing up and writing her letters. Like I think she misspelled something.
That's a thing.
Oh yeah, I think she wrote happy birthday, but she wrote BIRTHTDAY. I'm like, oh my gosh, that is just so cute. You can never
different colors. Well, yeah, and that's my space. So I draw a cupcake too right there.
Yeah. I was saying that somebody should draw like a director's film thing.
You see, that's the thing. I didn't get 23.
And look what Brooke wrote. Look what Brooke wrote. Israel's section. All nice and big.
I seen it. She did that. I didn't know who did that.
Shelly yelled at her like, Brooke, why did you write that? Like, everybody doesn't need a whole section. She's like, that could have been where somebody wrote their letter at. And you just wrote Israel's section on it.